Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making okra soup. Very quick and easy. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. First, I'm going to add my well-washed fish in my cooking pot, and for that I'm using the combination of catfish, mackerel and pompano fish. Next, I will season with crayfish, roughly blended onions and pepper, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. Next, I will clean my shrimps by removing the scale and the vein, rinse it and set it aside for later use. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Delicious. I will proceed by hand chopping half of my okra and blend the other half and set it aside. At this time, I check on the fish and it's ready. Next, I will take it out from the stock and set it aside because I don't want it to break. Next, I will add my palm oil, shrimps, uziza leaves, iru and my roughly blended okra. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will add my okra and crayfish. I will give it a good mix. Next, I will transfer the fish back to the soup. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes and we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!